This presentation is to introduce you to the Solvings wireless installations, the equipment and technologies that our customers benefit from over other wireless providers. So who are Solvings? Solvings is an independent company specialising in IT infrastructure services, support and project consultancy, project management, deployment and decommissioning, and of course wireless installations. So who are Solvings Wireless? Solvings Wireless is the name given to the side of the business that specialises in wireless installations. All our wireless engineers are fully trained and experienced in the deployment and support of wireless networks. We are capable of delivering wireless solutions to businesses of all sizes. No job is too big or too small. We use Ruckus products with all our wireless installations as they have a number of patented technologies that leave the competition behind. Ruckus is an American company that has been around since 2004. The image shows a handful of their products, and we will look at a few of them in more detail later. So the technology, BeamFlex. Let's take a look at BeamFlex. BeamFlex is a patented technology only available in Ruckus wireless products. By using an internal smart antenna array, the wireless signal can be beamed directly to each user. The image shows the circuit board of one of their access points. As you can see, it has a number of antennas fixed to the circuit board. So let's see how BeamFlex works. In this first example, we see a wireless router emitting a bubble of signal like all other routers and access points do. If you are within that bubble, chances are you'll get a wireless signal. User 1 has moved to the boardroom, and as you can see is still getting a good signal. Now let's add some interference, such as this cordless phone. The signal has interfered with the router's signal and has caused a drop in output. That has resulted in users losing or having a poor wireless connection. User 3 has now moved behind a wall that is made of metal. The signal cannot penetrate this, and so the user loses wireless connection. Now let's have a look at how the Ruckus access point deals with the same situation. Already, the access point has located the users and is transmitting the best possible signal to them. User 1 has moved to the boardroom, and straight away the access point has beamed the best signal directly to the user. Once again, the cordless phone appears and causes interference. Notice how the access point registers the problem and, using the smart antenna array, directs the signal around the interference. User 3 has moved behind the metal wall again, and the Ruckus access point uses beamforming to bounce the signal around the obstruction to give the client the best possible signal. So BeamFlex. BeamFlex provides up to 3 times increase in performance and range. It's able to avoid interference. Dynamic beamforming provides constant real-time adaptation to the environment. It's suited well to roaming devices such as smartphones or tablets. Next, we're going to look at Smart Mesh. Smart Mesh technology lets you link the access points together to create a single network. If one of the access points fails, the technology recognises this and the network self-heals. Let's see how this works. Each AP or access point picks the best or fastest path to the root AP and clients. The BeamFlex manages the best signal path to the clients. Now one of the access points has failed, so the other access points self-heal and restore the network and provide any affected users with wireless signal. So now a quick overview of some of the commonly used products. First, the ZoneFlex 7363. This access point is the most common piece of equipment used on our wireless installations. It's dual band, giving 5 GHz, 2.4 GHz support. It gives you network speeds of up to 600 megabits per second. It has dynamic beamforming or beamflex built in. It can handle 100 simultaneous data users per radio. It has smart mesh networking, and it provides support for 802.11 A, B, G and N. Next, we're going to look at the Zone Director. The Zone Director is needed to manage and configure multiple access points that are on the same network. It also provides you with lots of configuration options to customize the wireless network for the client. So some of the features: so it manages multiple access points, provides different user access options, client billing via a payment gateway, automatically updates and configures all the access points on the network, supports 32 unique WLANs or SSIDs, can provide time-based access, seamless integration with existing networks. So next we're going to look at the ZoneFlex 7731 point-to-point. This is a point-to-point system that can provide a secure wireless network over large distances. It has a range of up to 6 miles. Operates on 802.11n in the 5 GHz band. No external antennas needed. It's lightweight, only 877 grams. Flexible mounting options. Operates in conditions -40 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. So now we're going to look at an example installation, how all those 3 items may be installed in the real world. So here we've got 2 buildings. We've got a headquarters and a branch office. And the headquarters, we see we've got an internet connection going into it. So first off, what we're going to do, we're going to put a Zone Director in, because we're connecting we want this to be one network with multiple access points. So we're going to put the Zone Director in. Next, in the first building, we're going to add 3 7363s. So we're just going to put those in where they're possibly needed to give all-round signal in that building. So now we've got a network within the headquarters. We've got the internet connection coming in. We've got the access points providing the wireless network throughout the building. So now we want to link up the branch office. So we're going to introduce the point-to-point 7731, which is going to give us a connection up to 6 miles. So now in the branch office, we're going to add another 3 access points. So basically, from the one internet connection coming into the headquarters, we've now got 2 buildings up to 6 miles away on the same network. So if you need more information on selling these products or selling our services, sign up to the forum to get more information, such as technical product data, help and ideas to successful sales. Also share your sales ideas, downloads, brochures and printable documentation.